Welcome to CatKiki. Don't let the cute name fool you. This is where engines talk, tools dance, and car problems meet their match. Whether you're a car owner, a garage lover, or someone who just hates paying too much at the shop, this channel is made for you. You know, I wasn't always a car guy. Back then, when my car made a strange noise, I thought it was saying good morning. When it didn't start, I thought it was mad at me. One hot afternoon, my car suddenly stopped. I opened the hood with a wrench in hand. But really, I was just looking for a place to pour mineral water to cool it down. That day changed everything. I started learning how cars work, not just to fix them, but to understand them, and feel confident on the road. Knowing how to fix your car doesn't just save money, it saves your peace of mind. At CatKiki, I'll show you how to spot problems early, change filters, and deal with mechanics like a pro. One time, a guy thought his engine was broken. Turns out, he just forgot to put gas. Fixing cars is a lot like love. Ignore it, and it'll break down. Treat it well, and it'll take you far. Weird sounds. Hot air instead of cool breeze. That's your car saying, I need attention. They say, love someone who makes you better. I say, drive a car that makes you learn something. Tightening a loose wire, fixing a tiny fuse, it feels good. Like the car thanks you with a smooth ride. New drivers make mistakes, like driving with the handbrake on, or hitting bumps too hard, or leaving fried chicken under the seat for 3 weeks. One guy said, my carburetor is leaking electricity. Even the car got confused. Another, time dashboard full of warning lights. 37 error codes. The problem, one loose wire behind the glove box. if you're just starting to fix cars at home. First of all, respect. Not everyone's willing to get their hands dirty and learn. But let me give you some honest advice. From someone who stripped a few bolts, and maybe stripped his own patience too. Number 1. Don't open 5 things at once. Take photos before you unplug anything. Your memory isn't as good as you think, especially when your car's half naked. Number 2. Label your bolts and parts. A small piece of masking tape and a pen will save you hours of frustration. Number 3. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yes, it sounds silly, but you'll forget, usually while under the car, sweating, and wondering why the bolt won't move. Number 4. Don't fight rusted bolts with anger. Fight them with WD-40 ... and patience. Or you'll snap it, and then you're not fixing a car, you're performing surgery. Number 5. Have realistic expectations. You're not building a race car in your garage, you're learning. It's okay to mess up, to go slow, to stop and watch a YouTube video, and repair. That's part of the process. And lastly, if you ever feel like throwing a wrench across the room, that's when you need a break, not a new tool. Fixing cars can teach you a lot, not just about machines, but about patience, problem solving, and being okay with failure. The first few tries. Fixing cars isn't just fixing machines. It teaches peace under pressure. It's a journey, and you're welcome to take it with me. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or get inspired, you're in the right garage. This ... is CatKiki.